Hello everyone. Did you know there is a powerful AI tool that works like ChatGPT, but it is completely free? I am going to show you how to use DeepSeek R1 in just 3 simple steps. Let's dive in. First, what is DeepSeek R1? Imagine having a personal AI assistant that can answer questions, write emails, generate content, debug code, and even translate languages, all for free. And the best part, you don't need to be tech pro to use it. Let me show you how to get started right now. How to use DeepSeek R1 for free. Here is how you can do it in just a 3 simple steps. First, open your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser. Next, head over to the deepseek.com. This is the official website where you can access DeepSeek R1 for free. Finally, click on Try for free, and that is it. You are ready to start chatting with the AI. No sign up, no download, just instant access. See how easy that was. In just a few seconds, you have got a fully functional AI assistant at your fingertips. Now that you are in, let's talk about what you can actually do with DeepSeek R1. Ask it anything and get instant answers. The second, write faster emails, blog posts, you name it. The third, code smarter with debugging and suggestion. The fourth is translate text into multiple languages. And that is it. You are now ready to use DeepSeek R1 for free. Go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in the comment how it works for you. Thanks for watching.